If you Google the Netherlands and its artificial land, you will find a lot of articles about how the Dutch are known for its ingenuity in building polders and dikes to create pieces of land from reclaimed water. Watching the country from above, as you have seen in my previous vlogs with my drone, you will see dikes and canals everywhere, which is used to drain the land to keep it dry. The Netherlands lies below sea level, so imagine the brilliance of the Dutch builders in keeping everyone afloat to be able to live here for centuries.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you miss your ride? Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Blessed Good Friday to everyone in the Philippines, to my friends and family. During this time in the Philippines when I was young, me and my childhood friends would always plan on going to church, confessing our sins, going to procession. My husband is laughing. That's what we do in the Philippines, Papa, around this time. Yeah, you have to go to a priest and confess your sins. And then we plan joining the procession. And then on Easter Sunday, that's when Jesus has risen, we would be also planning on who's going to the beach, which family is going to the beach. It's always a holiday we look forward to with me and my childhood friends, Angie, Ai, Hazel, Eileen, and the rest of my friends in the Philippines. I miss that around this time. We're here, guys. Again, will wake up because his sound is leak. Ooh. Look at that. It's really springtime. He's such an angel when he's sleeping. Oh my god. Papa, you can get the ends. Yes, Papa.
Hello.
Oh yeah? Dit is een Hyundai.
Oh, Hyundai.
Oh, you can bring this on your other hand. It's so heavy.
Zo.
I told you.
Dat is bijna zwaar als je in.
Hallo.
Kom maar in. Hij gaat into the garage from here. Je hand ook vol. Je hand ook vol. Ik ben helemaal geven. Ik zeg mooi, neem maar mee. Ja, hoeveel?
So I got a maple syrup, guys, because it's difficult to get a maple syrup, and they normally have this in Lidl, but not all the time. So I'm so happy. I will need spela palangga.
Oh nee. Where's the cottage ball?
Yeah, wait it.
Whoa.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we're here again at Lelystad at Colin's place. Jens is now there at the playground. So I have a little rest for myself to walk around and see what is everywhere. And I'm standing in these very nice cherry blossoms. probably next week, or if we can find time in the next few days, we're gonna go to the cherry blossoms place. It's not open, of course, for the public, but the locals, they can just pass by. So we're gonna go there. Just for trivia, guys, Lelystad is actually a body of water, and then they were digging up on it to make it a piece of land, to make it the city. And another trivia, if you know the palms in Dubai, that area there, they hired the Dutch architects to build those area so it can be lived, or they can put some islands around it. Ja. Nog een keer Pelanga.
Ze zijn weggelopen voor je. Papa weer moet tellen. 3.
We go inside. Yeah.
Papa!
Oké. Ja.
Kom maar, die kant. Baby, kijk eens, die kant. Niet daar. Straks ga je vallen.